Home Remedies presents
These 6 foods are poisons for the heart. Alert from the greatest cardiologist in the world. Hello and welcome. The world's top heart surgeon, Dr. Ellsworth Wareham, has warned that there are 6 foods more harmful to the heart than sugar. While we know sugar is bad for our health, many people don't realize that these other foods are even worse. These harmful foods are part of the daily diet for many people around the world, which is a big concern for heart health. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Number 1. Non-hydrogenated oils. These oils seem harmless, but when heated to high temperatures, like when frying, they break down into harmful compounds. These compounds, like free radicals and trans fats, can damage arteries and increase heart disease risk. Foods like French fries and snacks are especially dangerous when cooked with these oils. Number 2. Margarine. Once considered healthier than butter, margarine can still contain harmful trans fats. These fats raise bad LDL cholesterol and lower good HDL cholesterol, which can lead to clogged arteries and heart disease. Many margarines also contain additives and preservatives that can harm heart health. Number 3. Cheddar cheese. Just 2 slices of cheddar cheese can have 20% of the daily recommended fat intake and over 300 mg of sodium. This high amount of saturated fat and sodium can raise bad cholesterol and blood pressure, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Number 4. White bread. Eating white bread regularly can lead to inflammation, which is bad for heart health. Number 5. Processed foods. Many processed foods contain hidden non-hydrogenated oils and trans fats, even in things that seem healthy, like cereal bars. These hidden fats are harmful to the heart. Number 6. Industrialized foods. These foods often contain additives, preservatives, and too much sodium, all of which can be harmful to the heart. Refined carbohydrates and chronic inflammation. Refined carbohydrates, like those in white bread, are quickly turned into sugar in the blood. This makes the body release more insulin, which can lead to fat buildup in the arteries, a major risk for heart disease. A 2010 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating lots of refined carbs, like white bread, can increase heart problems by 30%. This is especially worrisome for people who already have risk factors like high blood pressure or high cholesterol. Combining foods like cheddar cheese and white bread can lead to a highly inflammatory diet, which can cause chronic diseases. To protect your heart and health, it's important to replace these foods with healthier options like low fat and low sodium cheeses and whole grain breads that offer more fiber and nutrients. Processed meats like sausages, bacon, cold cuts, and salamis are often consumed without people knowing what's really in them. These foods are made from low quality meat mixed with lots of fat, salt, and a variety of chemical preservatives to make them last longer and taste better. These processes can lead to various diseases, including cancer. The World Health Organization has warned that eating too much processed meat significantly increases the risk of heart problems and high blood pressure and can contribute to colon and stomach cancers. Another harmful food is soda. A 2019 study in the British Medical Journal with over 100,000 participants showed that regular soda consumption is linked to a higher risk of type 2 diabetes. A Harvard study found that people who drink 1 can of soda a day can gain about 7 kg in a year due to empty calories and hunger stimulation. which leads to overeating. Frequent consumption of sugary sodas is a major risk factor for obesity and type 2 diabetes. Dr. Ellsworth also warns about the misconception of diet sodas. Many people think these are a healthy alternative, but this is a big mistake. Drinking diet soda tricks the brain, confusing satiety signals and increasing appetite, leading to overeating and weight gain. Studies show that this can increase the risk of heart disease by up to 20%. In addition to avoiding harmful foods, Dr. Ellsworth shared his routine and eating habits that helped him stay healthy and continue his profession with expertise even after 90 years. He emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet rich in fresh vegetables, whole grains, and high quality proteins like fish and poultry. Regular exercise, stress management, and maintaining an active social life are crucial for long term health and preventing chronic diseases. For breakfast, Dr. Ellsworth suggests starting the day with nutritious food like eggs, plain Greek yogurt, and fruits instead of low nutritional value foods like white bread and cakes. Eggs are an excellent source of high quality protein, especially for those over 50, and provide important nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline, which are vital for brain health and proper body function. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics that promote good digestion and balance gut bacteria, strengthening the immune system. Fruits like apples, strawberries, pears, and blueberries are full of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, helping fight inflammation, improving skin health, and provide stable energy without causing blood sugar spikes. This combination can be complemented with a cup of unsweetened coffee, creating a balanced breakfast that provides energy for the day, improves digestion, and supports overall health. For lunch, Dr. Ellsworth highlights the importance of lean proteins like chicken and fish, prepared simply to retain nutrients and avoid excessive use of oils, helping reduce calories and aid digestion. To accompany these, he suggests brown rice, beans, and a vibrant salad with various vegetables. These foods provide energy, vitamins, and fiber without causing a heavy feeling after eating. Avoiding excesses and choosing balanced meals is one of Dr. Ellsworth's tips for maintaining energy throughout the day. Instead of traditional sweets, Dr. Ellsworth prefers 99% cocoa chocolate. Research shows that this type of chocolate benefits blood vessel health. Healthy Eating and Habits by Dr. Ellsworth. Dr. Ellsworth Wareham recommends some important habits and foods to maintain good health. Afternoon snack. Whey protein is a great snack. It's made from fermented milk and is rich in high quality proteins. It helps keep you full, supports gut health by balancing gut bacteria, promotes efficient digestion, strengthens the immune system, and provides calcium for strong bones and teeth. It also gives us an energy boost with B vitamins. Dinner. A nutritious dinner should include salmon and fatty fish, rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which fight bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are full of soluble fibers, which helps regulate cholesterol. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale provide antioxidants that support arterial health. Healthy additions. Adding nuts, avocados, and extra virgin olive oil to salads provides healthy fats and essential vitamins. Dr. Ellsworth also follows these key practices for heart health. Avoid late eating. He doesn't eat after 8 pm, ensuring his last meal is at least 2 hours before bed. This helps with better digestion and a more restful sleep. which is crucial for overall health. Hydration, no smoking, no alcohol. Drinking water throughout the day keeps his body hydrated and improves digestion. He never smoked and avoids alcohol to protect his lungs, heart, and liver. These habits contribute to a healthy and energetic life. Daily exercise. At 84, he walks for 30 minutes every day. This simple exercise can extend life expectancy by up to 6 years. Social interactions. Participating in activities like hydrotherapy and reading clubs helps avoid isolation, stimulates the mind, and promotes emotional well being. Gratitude practice. He sets aside time daily to reflect on and appreciate the good things in life. This practice improves mood, reduces stress, and strengthens relationships, creating a positive and harmonious environment. Dr. Ellsworth believes that these small daily decisions can greatly impact our health, mood, and longevity. Now I'm curious about your experience. What unhealthy foods do you need to cut from your diet? And which of Dr. Ellsworth's good habits do you practice daily? Let me know in the comments.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.